had just been super rainy and it was really slow at home. I just did a lot of my homework, and after that I really didn't have much to do, so I decided to go to the museum.
Won't you hang round here just like you do? Like you've always done. Go on and let the light in. It's easier weather now. It's easier weather now. Moonlit country breeze, oh remember that now. When I kissed you on the cheek, you said it wasn't the same anymore. Thought I felt some pain before. Come on and let me in. Let's go on and start again. We could work it out if you're around like you were last year. We could work it out. Just be around. If you're around like you were last year, we could work it out. Just be around. Come back, won't you come back now?
And just like that, our time is over. These last 3 weeks have been so much more than I ever thought they would be. I've really enjoyed the learning process, and even though this is a small-scale YouTube channel, I've really, really enjoyed maintaining it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you at least enjoyed a little bit.
Darling, what you been there for? I got you alone.